How do you change the world with a single poster? It's not magic, it's a campaign. And behind every great campaign isn't just a pretty picture, but a strategic puzzle. Your job is to solve it. Before you even think about colors or fonts, you need a blueprint, the creative brief. This simple document forces you to answer the hard questions first. What's your goal? Who are you talking to? And most importantly, if they only remember one thing, what is it? Without this, you're just decorating. With it, you're persuading. Next, you need the hook. This is the big idea that makes someone stop scrolling. Forget boring pictures of trash cans. Think bigger. Ask, what if? What if the ocean was made of plastic? What if a fish could talk? That leads you to a visual metaphor that hits instantly, like an ice cream cone made of garbage. That's a hook. Now, the science. You have 3 seconds to capture someone's attention. That's it. You control what they see first using visual hierarchy. The most important thing, make it the biggest. Use a single bright accent color to draw the eye. Remember, if everything is loud, nothing is. And in our culture, we read in a Z pattern, top left to top right, down and across. So where do you put your call to action? The bottom right, the last place their eyes land. Finally, your words. Less is more. Turn a complex idea into a punchy slogan. And remember, persuasion is power. A great campaign builds trust. It doesn't manipulate with fear or false promises. You are an architect of attention. Your job is to arrange these pieces, images, colors, words, so they click in someone else's brain, creating a clear signal that rises above the noise.